Are you looking for a way to transport goods around your property without having to rely on manpower? If so, a folding wagon cart might be the perfect solution for you. These carts are versatile and easy to use, making them perfect for transporting a variety of items. In this video, we will provide you with the best folding wagon cart, so let's get started. List number 1. Wagon Heavy Duty Collapsible Folding Wagon. Wagon Heavy Duty Collapsible Folding Wagon is made with a heavy-duty metal frame that can carry up to 80 kilograms. It comes with 360 degrees rotating front wheels that move smoothly over all kinds of terrain, and its folding function makes it easy to store and transport. This collapsible wagon is made of 600D Oxford fabric and PVC materials that are durable, waterproof and won't tear when you put something sharp inside. This wagon does have an adjustable handle that rotates as you need. When you're on the road, you want to be safe and comfortable. This wagon built with an adjustable handle that rotates as you need, and there's no need to worry about it dropping. Cleverly designed to fold down flat and easily, the heavy-duty collapsible folding wagon is the perfect option if you need a lightweight, yet extremely durable and reliable wagon. It folds down in seconds for easy transportation and storage. This cart is so much better and about the same price. It is made with strong material, big wheels, and the depth of the cart is excellent. It even comes with a thick folding mat to place in the wagon before putting objects in the wagon. This keeps the material very safe. This wagon has held 5 cases of Costco-sized liquids with room for more. The wheels are sturdy and it folds up small enough to fit in my crowded coat closet. Making turns are difficult with a lot of weight on it. List number 2. Wagon Folding Wagon Cart. The Wagon Folding Wagon Cart is the best choice for beachgoers and outdoor enthusiasts who want to take the gear to the beach. The Wagon Folding Wagon Cart is built to last and has a telescoping handle for easy transport, as well as lots of storage space for your things. This durable piece of equipment comes with easy-to-carry 5 wheels, which provide you with a comfortable ride over any terrain. This utility beach cart folding wagon is made from sturdy steel with a 600D polyester fabric. The collapsible heavy-duty frame has a removable hose, not included, to make it easy to wash. This beach tow cart easily folds up for storage or transport, so it is perfect for travel and camping. Sets up in seconds, no assembly required. Small enough to fit in closet, on the wall or in the trunk of any standard car. Folding utility beach wagon cart is perfect for transporting shopping, on family outings or as a goods trolley, and great for trips, travel, vacation, garden, park, camping, grocery store, zoo, outdoor sporting events, or just move things. The wheels are 4 inches wide and 7 in diameter, making the ideal choice for all types of terrain, even across rugged terrain. It opens and folds up easily in seconds. Folding away for convenient storage. Small enough to fit in closet, on the wall or in the trunk of any standard car. List number 3. Seki Collapsible Folding Wagon Cart. The Seki Collapsible Folding Wagon Cart is a lightweight, straightforward wagon that folds up completely flat for easier storage and transportation. The double front wheel steering is connected to the handle, which perfectly solves the problem of the wheels colliding with each other. The length can be adjusted according to the height. There is a spring device under the handle to prevent the handle from falling. Extra wide wheels provide excellent grip for all occasions. Brakes are fitted to both front wheels for stable braking even on uneven terrain. Each wheel is equipped with 2 low noise bearings. Even with higher loads, the wheels will roll quietly and smoothly. The steel frame provides a load capacity of 120 kilograms, and can carry more cargo, not intended for weightlifting. Can easily assemble and disassemble in seconds. Seki Collapsible Folding Wagon Cart comes with 4 high-load caster wheels with brake. It's suitable for kids, ladies and elderly to use. There is a spring device under the handle to prevent the handle from falling, 15 centimeters, 6.1, when you fold it up. This cart is the perfect choice for anyone who wants to travel with ease. Its lightweight design makes it easy to push or pull across uneven terrain. The two front wheels make it possible for you to drive up and down hills without having to use a trailer. List number 4. Whitsunday Collapsible Folding Garden Outdoor Park Utility Wagon. The Whitsunday Utility Wagon is an excellent choice for any type of outdoor activity, such as camping, hiking, beach and park. Designed to be lightweight and yet durable, this wagon has a maximum load capacity of 120 pounds, which easily fits into most cars or trucks. The rear hitch provides enough strength to carry up to 40 pounds. And the front axle gives it a nice sturdy undercarriage for carrying heavy loads. Its compact design allows users to easily fold its wheels vertically for easy storage. It comes with a carrying bag for easy portability and transportation. You can effortlessly haul your gear or groceries with the Whitsunday Folding Utility Wagon. It is designed to be lightweight and yet durable, perfect for trips to the market, park, beach, sporting events, camping and much more. The wagon folds easily in seconds with an easy operation. This is great for people who have low vision. With a maximum load capacity of 120 pounds. The tilting pulling handle is telescopic with adjustable length of 20 to 30 inches for a comfortable height. This utility wagon has been very handy in maneuvering multiple groceries and saving you on trips back and forth to your vehicle. It's also compact enough to fit right into your car. List number 5. Gorilla Carts GC SW7P7CU. Featuring collapsible folding outdoor utility wagon. The Gorilla Carts GCSW7P 7.5 cubic foot collapsible utility wagon is made for versatility and convenience with a large, 7 cubic foot foldable design that offers more capacity than comparable wagons. We've upgraded the steering system and added great traction all around to allow you to easily pull it while keeping your back and joints in good condition. It's compatible with all standard hitch accessories, so you are free to choose your favorite seating arrangement while traveling around town. Now you can take your essentials with you when you're on the go. This all-terrain utility wagon is the ideal pickup for whether you're traveling to work or running errands. Featuring a collapsible design that folds flat to make it easy to store in your garage or vehicle, this sturdy wagon can haul up to 7 cubic feet of cargo. The pull handle makes hauling comfortable and easy, while the upgraded steering and brake provide improved maneuverability over uneven terrain. With a durable tubular steel frame, this wide casters fold down for easy storage and transport at home or when you're on the go. Upgraded steering and brake along with a comfort handle allows for improved maneuverability and reduced fatigue. Features expandable side pockets and built-in cup holders on all 4 corners that can double as stands for phones or tablets.